My name is Sarah Harney. I am an environmental studies major at UNCA, and I am interning at the Environmental Quality Institute in Black Mountain for spring 2024. EQI, aka Environmental Quality Institute in Black Mountain, they assess water quality in Western North Carolina. EQI monitors streams of both the chemical and the biological level. The main objective here is to gather reliable data that can then be used for other organizations. I am a stream macroinvertebrate field technician intern, and what I do is I go out to the streams and we use methods such as kick net. So it's like we take this net and we jam it into the water, and then we pick up the net and then we pick them for bugs. And those bugs are indicators of the health of the stream because they have different pollution intolerances. My supervisor's awesome. Her name is Anne-Marie, and she has been the backbone of EQI, and she's very dedicated to keeping this organization going, and I really admire that. So it's been really exciting to work with someone that knows the ins and outs of nonprofit work and kind of took a dream of wanting to work in ecology into a reality, because sometimes it kind of seems like a fairy tale, but seeing someone achieve that goal has made me believe that that's something I can achieve for myself. Yeah, I wouldn't have gotten this position if it weren't for the Career Center. They helped me learn how to write a cover letter. They helped update my resume. So they were actually really vital in me getting this position because one, I would not have known about EQI at all, and two, they taught me skills that I can go out there and get a job and be confident about my cover letter, or confident about my resume, and showing people I do have skills, I'm learning things, and this can be applied here.